Changing motives, changing patterns. I can change till you don't matter.